What is going on here? Here's no one. Are all the flights cancelled maybe for today? Thank you, bye-bye. Our day couldn't start better because we got a buy one get one for free. So I paid 50 baht for my iced caramel macchiato and Fabienne got her hot americano for free.
Yeah.
That's a good deal, isn't it?
That's good, yeah. Fun fact, by the way, in Germany I never liked black coffee. And here in Thailand I always drink just black coffee.
But for only one reason. Yeah, it's cheaper. And also they don't have always almond milk.
Yeah.
And that's now a reason. So we now headed to the airport because our mission number one is to make sure that we fulfill all the requirements for our international flight for tomorrow. And we also don't know if a PCR test or an antigen rapid test is enough and is allowed for the flight. Because online it's written that antigen is okay, but when you check the internet also it's always written down that for international flights you need a PCR test. And as the airport is only 3 minutes away, we now walk there. This way here. So we are already at the airport right here, but we don't know exactly where. I would say this way, honey. Oh my god, how many people are over there? There are so many people. Can you see that? So many people over there. Oh, there's a sandbox. Yeah. We have only question. We fly tomorrow international. And do you know, do we need PCR or antigen rapid?
Oh, you over there.
Ask there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 5 security. Yes. Number 5 security.
Okay. Is what number 5? There are so many people at the airport, especially right here. We need to go where the departure is to ask for the test. To be honest, I'm a little bit afraid of so many people around. I mean, just to mention we get infected by COVID-19 one day before we leave. The reason I want to avoid the people, you know, and walk by, not through all the people. I'm not that afraid all the time, but I mean this time when we're flying tomorrow, the next day, I am. I mean, I really don't want to get COVID-19. So the guy told us something about number 5 and we found it, number 5. It's the entrance and the departure for international flights. Oh, this is cold here.
Normal PCR test or antigen.
Can we do test here?
Here at the airport or do we?
Airline office is floor 2. So the guy told us now that we need to go to the 2nd floor to ask the airline. We hope that they can help us and that they understand what we're talking about because they don't understand English. 2nd floor, hey. Which airline are we flying with? Jetstar. What is it here? Hi. Bangkok Airways, Emirates, Qatar, Nok Air. Where's our airline? Oh, Air Asia, Singapore Airlines. So on the 2nd floor we couldn't find our airline. We're now going up to the 3rd floor and ask at the ticket counter. Fabienne took the escalator. I'm using the elevator.
Hello.
Hello. It's totally empty here. What is going on here? Here's no one. Are all the flights cancelled maybe for today? We are almost the only ones here in the terminal. And it's the only terminal they got here for international flights, so... Yeah, but honey, I mean, it is totally empty. There's no one here. Okay, so where's our ticket counter? National passport control? No. I couldn't find anyone. Have you asked her? Or? And? What no?
Kannst hier keinen PCR-Test machen.
And where we can now do the PCR test?
Bangkok, hospital, Phuket.
Information is good. Information is always good.
We'll fly tomorrow in the evening And we would like to ask if we have to do a PCR test or an antigen test.
You can choose. If you do a PCR test, it's not much than 22 hours before your flight.
Yeah.
If you are antigen.
Okay, but we can do both. Okay, and okay, perfect. And the next question is where? So where can we do it? Here not, right?
You drive here.
Nanyang Clinic. Okay. Can we walk there? Really?
We have to walk 1 hour.
So the ladies told us that we can either choose between a PCR test or antigen rapid test. The antigen rapid test is only valid 24 hours. And she's now calling the clinic if we need an appointment and where it is. Maybe we can walk there. And if so, and we take in the antigen test, we can do that tomorrow. I mean, we need to do that tomorrow. And it's only valid 24 hours? Or not?
Okay.
If you want to do it now, I suggest.
But we can't do it now, right? Because when you do the rapid test, it's only valid for 24 hours. And our flight is at 9:40 p.m. So we need to do the rapid test tomorrow, right? But when, if they open tomorrow? And where is it exactly?
This is airport.
Ah, perfect. Okay. And there we have the hotel. So it's easily to walk there.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
8.
8 p.m.
Okay,
Okay.
that's not.
So they are closed on
Working.
Sundays. The clinic is closed on Sunday. Okay. Is there another option to make a test tomorrow, a rapid test, or? Yeah, thank
we
you very
can
much.
walk 3 hours.
Thank you very much, ladies. You helped us a lot. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay, so we go. We go there tomorrow, right?
Aber wann?
Well, it's so complicated, but the ladies were very helpful and helped us a lot. So to fly to our destination, we also can do a rapid antigen test, which is only valid for 24 hours. The first lab she showed us is closed on Sundays, so we had to find another place where we can take the test. Then she wrote us down a second laboratory, which is 3 hours away when we walk, or 50 minutes by car. We get a test result within 15 minutes, and they are open every day. We'll drive there tomorrow to get the test done, then drive to the airport and to fly out. And I'm quite sure that we need to take a second test when we arrive at our destination.
I think so. Yeah.
Which is still a secret. Hello.
Thank you.
Ooh, chocobo. When we have read the menu when we came in, we immediately knew what we order. Raw chocolates and peanut butter. It's always a must order. Look at her face, how happy she is. And now look at what we've ordered. I mean, come on, it looks so delicious. Okay, ready for an epic cinematic B-roll? Okay. Thank you very much. It was very good. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, we will come back.
So this breakfast was really cool, really delicious. We will go there again tomorrow morning for sure for breakfast. So after we found out where to get tested tomorrow, how to get there and how much we need to pay for it, it is our second mission today to spend some money, because we still got some cash left and we don't want to exchange that, because as you have to pay a fee for that, it makes much more sense to spend the money we got left. So how much money we got left, honey?
Around about 1,000 baht.
1,000 baht.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 1,000 baht to spend. And oh yeah, it is. And we got the information yesterday from our hero of the day that today here's a market. So we're gonna check this one out now. Hello! Hello, doggy! I need shoes, I need shirts, I need shorts.
We can spend it in food.
Yeah, I know, that's how she wants to spend the money we got left. Food. Honey, check this out. 9.
And what is this?
Pamu. Pamu.
And this is Gucci. Ah, nee, this is Louis. Oh.
Louis Vuitton. Just as expected, we spent the first money on food. To be precise here, orange juice. And we now already leaving the market because we couldn't find anything. No clothing, nothing. I mean, I don't want to wear trousers or a shirt which is saying 9 or Pamu or Pemu or...
Nur ist Eiton.
So we failed miserably. And we just got today and tomorrow left to spend the money. I don't really mind about clothing and brands and anything like that, but when I could decide, I would like to choose just clothing which says nothing on it instead of Pamu or 9 or anything like that. I just want to buy, I mean, good quality gray shirt, just like this. That's perfect. It doesn't need to say Gucci or Prada, just a shirt. We decided to spend the last money we got in cash on food, which is always a good idea. But as this is our last evening here in Thailand, she wants to have masaman curry. And this is already the third restaurant we're asking and they don't have masaman curry. No head? Oh. So this turns out to be a big problem right now. I mean, it feels like a little bit of a crisis we have here right now. I don't know why she wants to have masaman all the time. And she's now checking out the next spot just for masaman curry. I already know now that this will take maybe 1-2 hours to find the perfect restaurant. Where are you going? Do you have masaman curry? No? So we got now 2 people finding masaman on the menu. Is it there?
Yeah, but it's...
She got her masaman curry and now she's complaining that it's just too spicy.